Holy mother freaking Jesus. What is this?
Guys, do not touch the wires! No! Oh wait, I think I know what this monster is. Wait, let me take something out. Yep, go back. You're one of these monsters. Reload. Get ammo.
I already have him on me. What the heck is
There's a
that?
monster that if you touch the floor, it'll kill us. Wait, let me kill this thing. Let's kill this thing. Reload.
What's up, guys? Today's here we're trying this new update in Animal Cuphead with my cousin Aiden, which we're about to show you guys right now. Please like and subscribe and comment and stay tuned. Wow. What is this? We're good. Take that. Whoa. Okay, this is kind of sick, dog. Is this supposed to be here, or am I taking out? I think I'm lagging. What? Hey guys, hold up. What the heck am I seeing? Where's the computer? Where is the computer? Where is the computer? Where is the computer? Where's the computer, guys? What is this? Where's the computer at? Where's the computer at? What the hell is this? What is this? What is this? Where am I at? Is this where the computer is at? Because where is the computer at?
Can you tell me how to play this game?
Where's the computer at?
I don't know, but can you tell me how to play this game?
I don't know how to play this game at all. I just joined this update and I'm recording. Thanks for asking. Hey, you, wait.
I am the king of this world.
Where do I go? What? What do I do? What is that? How do I join? I don't know.
Guys, let's go to the
What do I? Oh, there we go.
Yay! Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I saw so much, guys. You Aiden? Okay. Wait, Aiden, I was right, Aiden. I told you the new map.
Yeah. Momo, I was in the game before.
Aiden,
I was in the game before you, Momo.
I know, Aiden. I joined the game. Oh my gosh. Aiden, I joined the game, Aiden. I literally saw white stuff, like literally. And I was like, "Where's the computer? That computer's nowhere." So I had to do the dark hole and everything.
So what's the... Okay, we're back. So, you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording, obviously. So, guys, that is Aiden,
So,
guys.
Momo, that's this Momo's new outfit. Did they see your new outfit?
Oh, yeah, let's go try our outfit. Let's go, guys.
Okay, Momo, you put on your outfit.
Hey, I'm a frog? No, not a frog. Actually, I kind of want to buy a frog, actually.
You should have BB. Good night, Mom.
Yeah, it's supposed to be my avatar, guys. Hey guys, let's go to the video. So guys, today's video we're gonna be let's go back here. Today's video we're gonna be checking out the updates. Yeah,
Wait,
updates.
it's my turn to change my cosmetics. Mo, go over there. I want to be surprised. Go.
Okay. I'll just look over here, guys. Anyway, guys, please sponsor this video while Aiden's changing his clothes. We're gonna be doing a giveaway. Yes, a giveaway.
Yay!
We're gonna give a lot of Steve stuff right here. It'll be like a giveaway.
How do I look?
Oh, you bought that with money?
Yep.
Oh, do you have the golden guns, huh? Oh, there you go. Anyways, so I wanna have a. Anyways, guys, we're gonna have a giveaway for all these stuff, like literally, and these things are worth tons of money, like worth a lot of money.
Look at this. Look at this, Momo.
Oh my gosh.
I just made it.
Anyways, guys, so that's a dubbing glitch. What are you doing?
So, teleport. Momo, I can teleport.
Okay, anyways, okay, guys, and the code for this, so it would be what's today?
Hi.
Probably this Friday, maybe, or this Friday.
Momo, I'm gonna check out the. Momo, come on, Momo, get a teleport gun.
I'm explaining our giveaway real quick.
Give a teleport gun.
Anyways,
Momo, I need to show you something.
I told them they didn't give away. Hey guys, you guys can see our code, guys. And the code for this thing will be it'd be code 44.
Muska, Mickey Mouse.
So code 44. That would
And
be
remember
that'll be our code for the giveaway. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
And by the way, come here, Momo, come here. By the way, if you see anyone named Pork Chop 065, or
Travis DP.
Momo, you need to take Travis TP. That's us.
Can you see my name in the roots?
And
you could kind of have.
yeah. Also, we can just look at
Wait a
this
minute.
thing.
I'm broke.
So come on, guys, we're going to the new map. I need to show you
Oh, I
something.
forgot I'm broke.
Mo, can you buy me a good backpack? I don't have one of those. Wait, Mo, I need to show you something. Take a teleport gun. Momo. Take a teleport gun. Follow me.
Okay, let's go.
Follow me.
Oh, wait.
Look, they have water right here. And Mo, look at
Bathtub!
this. Do not touch
Bathtub!
the water.
Bathtub!
Wait, we can go in water.
It's bathtub.
You
My
lied to
bathtub.
me. I knew it. Mama, come over here.
Oh, bathtub.
Come over here, look.
Oh, what? Oh,
You see that? You see this? That's weird.
if the dev team see this, please comment if the dev team sees. Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh, look at this. Wait, Momo, look.
Bye.
Momo.
Yeah. Oh, look at me. Well, guys, let's
Let's go to the new map. Let's go.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I have to jump from that. Yes, sir. Boink, boink, boink. Woo! That's nice. Where did Aiden go? Anyway, guys, why are you doing
I'm bringing the weapons. I think I know what the new map is at. Come on, let's go.
Okay. Hey guys, let's go to the new map that we never been to, or I had never been to.
I never been to here either.
And I didn't. Oh yeah. So I teleported. So come here, Aiden.
Yeah,
So there
so
was
that's why-
there was like a hole, like a black hole, like a white hole over there, and it's like everything's glitched,
know.
everything's white. I was like,
Momo,
where is the
we all
thing?
spawn like that. Momo.
Okay, what call it? Editor, replay that part. What the hell is this? What is this? What is this? Where is
I thought we had the other way. Okay, so that's why I think this is the way. But I think that I should.
Wait. Ew. Oh.
Go swim in the water. Go swim.
No, you can swim. There's sharkies in here,
Oh,
huh?
let's swim.
There's
No,
sharkies.
there's no shark in here. I think there's no shark.
Scared, guys. Guys, there's a shark. Guys, there's a shark. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. Past these guys. Weave. You guys suck, huh? Go. Forward, go. Loose. Go. 1, 2.
I'm at the hole.
What is this?
A booty block. Ew, my nose is after you, Mike. It is a... Ew,
What is this?
ouch, ow.
Wee! Ow! Wee! Woo!
Is that for me, Mama?
Oh! That was extremely weird.
No, I think... Mama, what the... I think we should put the...
Is Bonnie in here? Is Bonnie Balloon Boy in here? I got you.
know.
I got you.
Oh?
Bonnie Balloon Boy, where you at?
No, grab these items. Grab these items. They might be good.
Are you here?
What? Oh, no.
Bonnie?
no,
Bonnie
no,
is Bonnie.
no.
It's Bonnie Balloon Boy.
No, I think he's killed the white.
Are you Foxy? Are you Foxy plus Balloon Boy?
He's right there.
Holy mother freaking Jesus. Who the frick are you?
Killed it. I killed it.
It? I'm just kind of terrified of this guy. Ooh.
I'll kill him. Let me get more ammo. Come on.
Is that
Can you hold
freaking?
it up? Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Can you hold that? I need that ammo just in case.
Is that like burnt? Is that like burnt a spring trap right there?
I don't know.
I see it right there. Bomb shit. Die, fool! Die!
I killed him.
Burned.
Yeah, he's
Get
dead.
purse. Get freaking burned, Bonnie.
Let's go. I'm just running.
I think.
Oh, still. Wait, Mom, let me test something out. Ow, do not touch the wood. Do not touch the wood.
So we could just like now do that again, I guess. Well, guys, stay tuned and lesson learned.
We're not stopping. We're doing this.
Yeah, go.
I'm just too
Perfect.
to give up. Okay. No, Mo, you take what I can buy my other stuff.
Here you go.
Okay.
Oh, never mind.
I can.
And
Okay.
then
So wait, Mo,
give
let me
me.
buy a teleport gun. A teleport gun.
Come here. And then I need you. Where are you at? Give me
Can you buy
a.
get a pickaxe? But Mo, I got a stronger one.
Oh, nice. Wait, is this like also a pickaxe?
Yeah, that's Mo.
Yeah.
Wait, I need to get my golden gun. I need to buy ammo for my backpack. Hey, can you also spam ammo in my backpack?
Huh?
I can't buy no more ammo. Can you spam ammo in this backpack?
I
Let's see how much money I don't see more. Turn your money on so I can actually see money.
in it. Oh, my money? How do I do that?
Use your joystick.
Oh, there it goes. You see my money?
No. Oh,
I have 1,400.
oh. Well, I'll just wait. I'll wait.
I'm going by one.
Oh, now I can buy ammo again.
Also, guys, so we had our post recently, like not like forever, because we're working on some massive project.
I don't like
Stay
this.
tuned.
Alright, let me change my cosmetic a little bit. Let me change my
And stay
outfit.
tuned for more videos and our new leaks. We're gonna leak some stuff. Remember the giveaway. Let's be.
Okay, I like this one more.
Go.
I like this one
Anyways,
better. I like this
we're gonna give all this stuff away. Like all this stuff away. Pishing.
By the way, guys, do you like my new shirt? I changed.
Nice. Anyways,
Okay, let's go.
and then the code is
Go,
the
now.
code would be code 44. Let's go.
Go on, what's that?
Boys, fast as hell. Fast as hell, boys. Fast as hell. Let's go.
Let's go. For me. Me to the hall.
Let's go, Aiden. Where you at? Let's go.
Am I here? Ow. Hey, Mom, wait, stay right there. I want to show you. Oh, wait, Mom, go back. Wait, Mom, I need to show you something. This was you. Ah!
No.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Hey, what? Oh, I'm safe. Wasn't where I died? Oh no. I'm here.
Take you long enough. Wait. Let me get my golden gun out. Let me get ammo out. Wait.
Let me get my bat out. Come here, come here, skeleton Spring Bonnie or burnt Spring Bonnie.
Let's go.
Where's your burnt butt at?
Oh, here.
Oh crap! Kill him. Jesus Christ! Ah, die! Was he normal?
You can't eat this. And this is evil, man.
Ah, wait, what was that?
Can you
Why is
hold this ammo for me? Can you hold that ammo for me? What?
Let's go. If I see Miss World, I'm running my life out.
You like that? Let's do this.
Wait, is it that MP? There goes Aiden once again, guys. Aiden, your backpack's open. Oh crap! I died. You both died? Aiden? You both died.
How was to kill that
We're
thing?
still going.
Bro?
We're still going. Aiden.
How about to kill that thing?
Aiden, just buy me a gun and put some ammo in it. Fair enough. Here's the bag. Get my light.
Let me.
Now.
Can you buy me a light?
Yeah, buy a light.
So I didn't save money for ammo for us.
Yeah.
Now let me just buy the teleport gun. Okay, let me just wait. Do not grab the ammo. Let me just buy spam out ammo.
Is it for me?
Okay. Well, I'll take
Okay,
off. You take one, I take one. I'll take one.
I take one.
You take one. I take one.
I take one.
I take one.
I take one.
And then I take one. Any way so I can buy some more ammo? Also buy golden revolver. I just can't wait to see Nico's reaction when he sees I have this. But do not show him at all. I have this cosmetics. Do not never show him.
I don't think he would really care. Just to be honest.
Okay. Yeah. But it would just be cool to see his
I go
reaction when
first?
I have this.
Then you go.
Wait, let me buy all the ammo. Okay, that's
Okay,
it.
and then you go.
Then me.
Then me.
And you take the extra one this time.
Let's go.
Okay, that's enough. Wait, go revolver and this at the same time. Let's go.
It will. Sharkies. Guys, at 10-3, guys. Nah, 10-3. I remember it was. I remember it was a 10-1, guys. I remember it was a 10-1, not a 10-3, guys. Was it? Nah, yeah. Nah, not really. Woo!
There, where are you at?
Man.
Oh, this game I can't come back.
I am Steve. Whee! Oh. Whee! Pong, 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 pong. Shoo, shoo, shoo,
This is so much fun. This is like a magic going
Hey,
I think anyway.
put your gun away.
Let's get to Mama.
Is that it?
Grab some ammo. Grab some ammo just in case. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go the same way.
Come here, look. Wait.
Kill it. Is it okay? So we will kill it.
I hear one.
Okay, so I'll go first, then you go first. Then I'll go, then you go. Come. Get ready. This is where we die. It's right there. I'll go first, then you go first. Okay. Come on.
Kill it.
Let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's get out.
Let's get out of here. Hey, where'd you go? I see you.
Over here. Yeah. Okay, Momo, do not think about it.
Wait.
Stay on the booth. Whoever one isn't you, I touched it.
Hey guys, let's not fall like last time.
Oh, I found the little exit. No. One. I don't want to be back here.
Why? Mimic?
Oh, yes, and I hate all these Oh.
Huh.
Yeah, what?
The hell? Here you go.
Oh my God. In the water.
Oh.
I think they got swimming mechanics.
Well, what the heck is this?
Oh wait, I think I know what this monster is. Wait, let me take something out. Yep, go back. You're one of these monsters. Reload. Get ammo.
I already have him on me. What the heck is
There's a
that?
monster that if you touch the floor, they'll kill us. Come on. Let me kill this thing. Let's kill this thing. Reload. Stop. Momo, get up. Come on. Parkour let's go. Momo, do not touch the fort. The hell they spawn. Don't. You know what?
You shoot it?
No, it's not angry. So, do not touch the fort. That's how we make them angry.
Do you shoot them already?
No. Oh my God. No,
Where do you
I'm
go?
going this way.
Huh?
I hate that. Ooh. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Wait. Wait till we can reload. Wait till we can heal. What? Let's kill it. And then we go on the wall. And then we go on the back. And then we screw it. What?
There's two. I see me not do that.
Kill it.
No.
Behind you.
Did I? Run.
Over here.
I died. I died at the thing.
I'm coming.
Where you at? What?
Levi. I died.
You are dying. I think we need a grapple hook.
No, we need kabooms.
Oh, those. There.
Get the items.
I can't get no more. I'm too broke.
We sell some items.
I'm so broke.
What else do you need? Another sweater.
So that. Oh, you got it. We
can't die now. Mo, we can't die over here. Look. No, wait. Sell me.
Huh?
Hi.
Oh, your backpack will be backpack sold.
Yeah, we can't die anymore.
Oh, that sucks.
We can't
Wait,
die.
here
We
you go,
can't
later.
die over.
Oh,
Oh, you
here
already
you go.
bought me back. Oh yeah, you did. No, you didn't.
You sold.
Wait, okay. Hold on.
Hey.
Wait, I'll buy hook shot. Wait. Okay, let's just buy kaboom.
Put this in the map for later.
No, I just couldn't myself the thing. I'm gonna fill my backpack with kabooms.
Okay, can you
Buy ammo for that. I'll just fill my back with kabooms just in case. You know what I mean, Mama?
I'm broke now. I'm broke. Aiden, can you buy me more ammo?
Yeah, bet. You bet. No lie, I can't.
Where? It's fine.
You gotta-
Wait,
Oh,
give
no.
us the teleportation.
Oh no, we don't. We
What?
have to use these.
Okay, fine. Wait, but Aiden, remember the Nerf?
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's get one of those too, just in
Yeah.
case.
Yes, up. What? Yeah, no crap.
Yeah, dude. So have them both on your hand, just in case. I'm heavy. So let me just...
Huh?
We can't, Momo. We can't use these for combos.
Yeah.
Hey, look, just watch. Just watch, look. You can't use hook shots on. Momo, no, we go downward. It's the faster way, Momo. And the more safe. Ah, he's there. Momo.
It's right here. Come on, Aiden. Let's go. Aiden.
I'm right behind you, bro.
Wait. Hold on.
I'm so heavy.
You are. Aiden, that's crazy. Let's go, guys. All the way down. Whee! Oh, guys. So,
Actually, Momo, look.
oh,
If we
whee!
keep so heavy shooting, Momo.
I think it's like, oh, whee!
Momo, I think they kind of actually did kind of not debug. They debugged and fixed something.
Crap, no. Oh, I forgot the thing, the debug. Oh, hey, can I stick on that? I cannot. Where are we at? Right there. The grapple cannot stick on metal stuff, bro.
Momo, look at this now. Momo, look. It pulls us up. Remember, it just used to like when you fall away, it just like, it actually pulls us very close to it. Even when you're heavy, it pulls very fast. Like when you're super heavy like me, it actually pulls very quick.
Let's go, Aiden, let's go.
Wait, more, I'm coming. Let me get a kaboom.
You go
I'll
first.
one, because he's right over there. I saw. Go back. No, he survived the couple. It survived. Wait, no. I got it.
Let's go. Actually, no, you go front, Lord. Oh, I got it. Aiden? Okay, Aiden.
What item do we use?
Okay, Aiden. Before stuff on Aiden, give us the ray gun and we get the fastest we can, so we'll get our stuff back.
What ray gun? The double gun?
Yeah. Okay, get to that. Get a light real quick. Then just buy us a gun.
Momo.
Just the gun.
Momo.
Nico, join. He's in the video.
Momo? Hello? Momo?
What?
Guys, Nico, there's a new map and we've been trying, like my new fit? Yeah.
He's talking to stop.
Oh shit. Oh, you.
No, I need it.
Oh, hey, Nico, put your hands up, buddy. I have a golden revolver. Oh shit.
Hey guys, Aiden, stick to the video.
Okay, can you buy me a backpack?
Yeah, me
Okay,
too.
buy. So Nico,
Well,
Nico, sell something.
I'm sorry guys. Aiden, hurry up before stuff despawns.
Guys, can I come, guys?
Yes, you're coming
Yeah,
with
you can
us.
come.
Aiden, bani ka ray gun. Or
Wait,
Yeah,
yeah, I think I could buy the ray gun.
Me
Hey,
teleport gun?
how much is the ray gun?
here.
No, do you have it unlocked?
What's the ray
Right,
gun?
coming, guys. Let's go. Let's get items. Wait, Momo, we need to
Yeah.
get Nico items. We need to get Nico items.
Nigga, someone saw something at least like, nah, scoot it over, bro.
But I need to get what? Okay, Momo, you be fast right there. You be fast right there.
What?
I
Nico, here, Nico.
I'll be bomber.
Why are you losing so long? Guys, the video, guys, remember the video. Hurry.
Hurry.
Hey, Nico, here's your backpack. Hey, ready, Aiden? Let's go.
Wait, no, I need more sticky bombs. I need more sticky. Nico, can you buy me some sticky bombs and put in my
Sure.
backpack?
Guys, hurry up, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, meet me over there. Let's go. Come on, guys, we gotta go. Let's go. Come on, guys, let's go, guys. Come on, viewers, we gotta go, guys. Come on. Oh, yeah, also, guys, also comment down below, guys. Comment down below. What else is it? What else is this update? Just comment down below. This is an update. We. Kumalalo. Bien. Here, guys. Guys, hurry up. Guys, hurry up. Are you guys coming ready? Hello? Hello. No one? Hello? Anybody here? Wait, what is that looking? Guys, here. Come here. Hey, let's go.
Dude, I'll be me. Momo map will be like.
Wait, I know this map.
Ready?
I saw on YouTube.
Over here.
No, you're gonna kill me. Ready? Get it?
Run.
I know. Did you go on him? Where you go, Dad?
Hit it.
He's gone. Oh, nigga.
Let's go. Is he dead? Back off! Run!
Я безумно.
He dead?
No. Well, how much think about this?
Does Mama pet him?
How much think about this?
Run! No!
Hey.
He died.
Revive me.
Huh?
Revive me.
Heck?
Give me those cheeks.
Let's go.
Go. One more. I have one house to keep.
Hit it, look! Hit our stuff! Run!
Guy burger. Fuck up, bro. Can we just go to the exit?
He can't. He's guarding it, dumbass.
One. It's gonna explode. It's gonna explode. One. These guys, let's go. Let's go. There's a few. I found the exit.
You did?
Yeah.
It's over
Guys, follow me.
Let's go.
Oh, where's Nico? Over here.
here. Hurry, guys. My hands is low. Come on. Ow. Let's go.
Do not touch the lead. Do not touch the lead. And
go.
run.
Let's go. Hurry, go. Hurry, go.
Wrong way.
Here you go. We're going.
Where's Nico at?
I don't know.
Anyway,
Hurry, over here.
okay.
Oh, yeah,
Wait, let me get my stick. Okay.
Let's go. Hurry, my head is low.
Mom, let's look up. We're making a video right now.
I know.
Wait, let me get my sticky grenade.
Not bad, guys.
So
Watch out, run. What?
Nico one.
Let's go.
He died.
Baby, do not touch the ground.
Come. Guys, in the count of three, get ready to one.
In the water?
2, 1, go. Yes, one.
Get up.
It has to be done. What?
No, I'm right here.
Come. Right here. Over here. Jump. It does no damage. Jump. One. That's a 7-1.
What is this?
Guys, do not touch the lions. Do not.
Huh?
Guys, one. Get away from those lions. I'm blowing that up. Momo, jump.
What are these? Wait,
Yeah,
is this it?
No, we had to mine this new one.
Here we go.
We'll revive them.
Okay, here and then I revived
Hey,
them.
guys, let's get down. Guys, let's go down.
What? Where are we at?
I'm weird.
We're not done yet,
God, I
guys.
need people. Let's keep on swimming down. We made it to the end.
Shh. That's it?
Oh, guys. We're losing oxygen. Oh, get up.
Here we are.
I just took a little bit of damage for some reason. Oh my god. Hey! Yes. Exit!
Where?
Yeah, wait, no. Oh, don't go. We gotta wait for Nico.
I'm running over here.
No!
Let's go.
I'm coming. We have fail. I failed. Made it. Yeah. Let's go.
Let's share.
No. Oh my, exit. It's not acid. Ouch. Ah! Ah! Ah!
We made it?
I think we did it.
You did it.
We need to mine that ore. We need to mine that ore.
What's it? We can't right now, but that's the end, guys.
Momo, we need to mine that ore.
How do you guys get the how do you get the Boba crystals?
Wait, this is sewers, dog. Alright, guys. This is a. Get me out of here.
Wait, Mo, come go to the music say how I have to buy.
Yeah, hold up. Yep. Oh, sorry, guys.
Oh my god.
Hey.
I'm game.
Guys. One second, guys.
We have done it.
Hey. Guys.
Yay, guys.
Hello, guys. Thank you so much for this video, guys. Of us suffering this stupid challenge of this new update, which Animal Companies, this update is super cool. It's a massive update. I really love this update. And you guys should definitely comment, like, and subscribe.
3, 2.
And
Do not.
screw you.
Do not in the.
Hey, wait, watch it, go check. Hey, watch it,
I can't, bro. I'm gonna move the video.
Wait, Momo.
Guys,
What do you say?
No, wait.
Guys, thank you for watching this video, and these are our new content. Sorry about that. These are. Wait, Nico, come back here. I need to say something.
alright, guys. While I was waiting, guys, please like and subscribe and comment.
Nico,
While we end this video of the suffering, dying, over and over.
And by the way, just with you, these are new cosmetics. We might change them, but these are cosmetics for now.
Into the next
By the way,
massive
guys,
update.
Should I fix my cosmetics? I look like a psychopath.
Actually, you do not. You're pretty cool.
Aiden, you know what?
Aiden looks like a big businessman. Okay, guys, bomb the whole thing. And I'm in the video at the time.